Let me get to marry a husband that know how to do everything. That know how to put pipe inside the gas. Let me on lights for my husband. Daddy, what? Personal one, yeah.
So now which person is
Hey guys, good evening. Welcome back again to my channel. So guys, today we are installing the gas. Okay, my hobby is helping out in fixing the pipe. You know, I don't know that my husband can do all those things. Say, this is me recommending a wonderful man to every lady out there. When you are marrying a man, marry somebody that knows how to do every. So hobby is helping me to fix the pipe right now, you know, making it so tightable so that it will not go out, you know, to not lose out. Yes, so that is what we're about to do right now. Okay, see the way I just speak for now, because of my adago is fixing pipe for me. So let me just show you guys what he's doing. Okay, and I want you guys to watch this very well and tell me if he tried though, because I've not seen him fix this thing before. But this is a very delicate thing, you know. He didn't do you where you see anyhow. And I'm not ready to see anyhow, but I believe my husband can do it anyway, and in fact he's doing it. So guys, let me just show you guys. Okay, so guys, over here we didn't get our screwdriver, so we decided to use this generator, you know, plug, maybe something like that, to do the work. And thank God it served us the purpose. So hobby is still installing it. Guys, I was seriously shocked seeing hobby doing this, but anyway, he's a trained engineer, so he can do it. Okay, so let's keep watching the video.
Chasing dreams we've yet to find. Every heartbeat, every stride. With each new step, our stars align. Path unknown, we carve our way through shadowed nights and golden days. Every challenge, every climb, a moment frozen in our time. Obvious world, we rise and run underneath the boundless sun. Through the turn the darkness into light. Obi's world, let stories soar. dreams we've yet to find.
So guys, over here immediately Obi finished, so we were just trying to on it and the thing was delaying. We were like, okay, maybe the gas has not really circulated. You know, it's a pipe that we fixed. So that was how you was on them before, you know, they now picked. He on this one, then on the other side. They were taking time, but later everything picked well. So you need to circulate. You just need to be patient with it so that everything will circulate very, very well. Yeah, so the light is on. We are ready to go and cook. Over here, we're hailing my daddy. We're hailing my husband. Seriously, we are seriously hailing him, and he was enjoying the hailing anyway. So, guys, we are done here, and we're about to go to the kitchen to go and set it.
Of dreams unfurled, this is our tale, this is our world. Echoes dance and rivers wide, mountains call, pull tides inside. The moments flash, the laughter stays. We paint our lives in endless ways. Slow the breath and feel the glow, a symphony the world will know through tears.